Welcome to the shock spring swap on the Super73 R line of e-bikes. For a smoother ride, we will swap the default 550 lbs shock spring for a 325 pounds softer version. We begin with loosening the original spring by rotating the spring tensioner till the spring can move up and down freely. Next, we unbolt the lower part of the shock from the frame. You can use a hammer to gently remove the pin. With the shock unbolted, you can now remove the lower part that keeps the spring in place, and swap out the spring with the new one. And reassemble the shock. Tighten the shock by rotating the tension disc. Reconnect the shock to the frame. Make sure to check out our other installation videos and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, and ride safe.